It is time for round 2 of Minute May. This week we are making homemade pizza sauce. 60 seconds on the clock, let's get into it. Start with a 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes. Right away I just break down the tomatoes and pick out the center parts that don't mix as well. Then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a tablespoon of sugar, 1 to 2 dashes of crushed red pepper just for that added heat. And then we're going to loosely shred about 7 or 8 fresh basil leaves. Mix it together a little bit, and then we're going to grab our emulsifier, and you're going to use that to gently mix it all together. It's going to sit in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before topping your dough. Go ahead and keep it in there for up to 48 hours, but try to use it up before then.